Hello everyone, welcome to Chelsea Chatter. Welcome to another video. In this video we will be discussing about January transfers and some Chelsea news. So let's start. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe the channel for daily Chelsea news and updates. So let's start. Our first Chelsea transfer rumor is about Aurélien Tchouaméni. Chelsea have ramped up their scouting of Monaco star Aurélien Tchouaméni ahead of a possible move for the French starlet in the summer. The 21-year-old has caught the eye of some of Europe's biggest clubs since his arrival at Monaco in January 2020. And, according to Goal, the Blues are currently running an in-depth search into the midfielder, including analyzing his attitude and personal life, as they weigh up making a summer bid for the France international. The report added that the West London club are also interested in West Ham midfielder Declan Rice, but will not sign both him and Tchouaméni, with Tuchel wanting to integrate Conor Gallagher back into the first team once his season-long loan at Crystal Palace has ended. Our second news is about Rudiger and Real Madrid. Real Madrid have pulled out of the running to sign Chelsea centre-back Antonio Rudiger, according to reports. The 28-year-old will be out of contract at the end of the season, and talks to sign a new deal with Chelsea have stalled. Madrid, PSG, Bayern Munich and Juventus have all opened talks to sign Rudiger on a free transfer this summer. But according to Marca, Madrid have already given up on signing the Germany international as he is demanding a contract worth £200,000 a week. The report claims that Madrid are not willing to meet that figure and believe their current defensive pairing of David Alaba and Eder Militao is the best in Europe. It's also claimed that Rudiger has already spoken with several players in Madrid's squad about moving to the Spanish capital, but the club have not progressed talks with the defender's agent. Our third story is about Azpilicueta. Azpilicueta will make a decision on his Chelsea future in the coming days. The Blues defender is out of contract at the end of the season, and Spanish newspaper Mundo Deportivo claim he has three options on the table: join Atletico Madrid, join Barcelona, or renew his contract with Chelsea. Barcelona have been long-term admirers of Azpilicueta, while Atletico have recently made him a priority with Kieran Trippier leaving for Newcastle. Chelsea would still be reluctant to let him part in the coming weeks though, given their own injury problems with Reece James, meaning he will likely depart on a free transfer in the summer if he opts not to renew his contract. Our last story is about Levi Colwill. Thomas Tuchel may reportedly put Chelsea prospect Levi Colwill into his first team way ahead of schedule. According to Goal, the Blues plan for the 18-year-old to have 2 years away from Stamford Bridge developing his game on loan before a view to challenging for the senior group. However, the teenager's current loan with Championship club Huddersfield Town is going so well that he may be fast-tracked into the first-team squad at Stamford Bridge next season. In addition, the report says people behind the scenes at Chelsea are comparing the youngster's rise to Reece James. Blues wing-back James was brilliant for Wigan Athletic earlier in his career before becoming a vital player at the Bridge. Colwill, who appears to be another glittering talent from the Chelsea academy, is passing his test in the Championship with flying colours. The ball-playing centre-back has comfortably adjusted to men's football in the second division, so is doing enough to impress the Chelsea hierarchy. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe Chelsea Chatter for daily Chelsea news and updates. Thanks for watching.